Recording in progress. So what I want to do is just recreate this in the spreadsheet and then try out Brian's formula here and see how it works. Let's blow this up a little bit. So if you could open up a spreadsheet and follow along, otherwise there'll be a recording you can check out later. Or maybe you're doing that right now in the future. So what we want to do is we want to put the appropriate titles in here like we have here and then enter these amounts. So I'm going to split my screen to do this. And I already started typing things up. So in cell A1 at the top, I want to type credit card charges for the month. And then under that, I want the categories that he had in his, which are gas, groceries, restaurant, and movie tickets. So if you haven't already, type those up. Oh. So once I have those typed, now notice the movie ticket line overflows into the next cell a little bit. So I'm just going to grab the boundary between A and B and extend that a little bit so that it doesn't overlap and get cut off. And then my gas, or his gas, was 56.08. And typically we don't type the $sign, we format it after. So I'm just going to type the numbers without $signs. 36.72, 12.82, and just 16 is fine. And then once they're typed, I'm going to re-highlight them. And there's a button here for currency format somewhere in my toolbar. Where's it hiding? Let's blow it up. Ooh, get back here. This version doesn't have the quick button, so let's see, where would it be located?
Are you trying to change it to money?
Yeah, my other version of Excel has a quick one, so I'm just going to go to general and choose currency.
I'll say money has a button.
It could be because of my screen size. I'm not seeing it.
Probably it's
right
there.
Okay. Yeah, so it tends to look, the Excel will look different on different screens, unfortunately. And then down here, I believe it was total interest. Interest paid. Okay. So let's resize this sucker again. Interest paid. And then next to it, I'm going to just type the formula as I see it here, with the exception of instead of typing B2 here, I'm going to select cell B2. So I'm going to type in equals, parentheses, 0.2399 divided by 12, close parentheses, asterisk for times, start parentheses. And then instead of typing B2, I'm just going to click on the amount in B2. And then plus.
Wait,
Yep, what's up?
I didn't do it.
Okay, let's see. Did you hit equals first?
No.
You gotta have equals at the beginning first.
So equals.
At the beginning,
Oh.
very beginning.
Oh, yeah, that.
Yeah, the formula has to start with equals and then go to references.
I know. I just want to move it to make it bigger.
Okay,
It's not working.
so go click up here. All right, and there you want to then now select and then plus.
Oh.
And then click O.
Then why
Slow
do you
down.
have to do this?
Did you get in yet? You don't
I thought I did, but I didn't.
Okay, so try going into your email and what way you want Excel.
See, now it goes red. I just tried to put plus that and then change.
No, that's right. Then do a plus. You're good. And then click on the next one. This is good. It's just color coding them.
I don't like it.
Okay, well, good job. You just enter, turn. Beautiful. Okay, we'll help you in just a minute.
Okay.
All right, so again, plus, and then just select the next one, plus, select the next one, and then close your parentheses. And it should calculate $2.43. In this case, it's not rounding where I want, but I can fix that with a button up here somewhere. I want to decrease the decimals shown. So again, depending on your screen size, you'll see more of these buttons. All right, now that is not the optimal way to do it. I mentioned that the other day in class. the better way to do it is to add these up first and then apply the interest rate. So underneath, I'm just going to redo the calculation. To do a calculation, you have to type what first? Equals. And then here, I want to use the sum formula. And sum needs a parenthesis. So equals sum parenthesis. And then I just highlight and drag down the numbers I want to add up. Then I'm going to close the parentheses, and then I can do my interest rate.
So what homework are we?
This is lesson 1.9. This is what this goes with. So interest rate is 0.2399 divided by 12 because it's 1 month out of a year, and I should get the exact same number. Fix the rounding. So slightly different way to come up with the answer. And again, my preferred way to do this kind of formula is instead of plus 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 is sum the range of values. And notice it puts a colon in between the range of values, which means include everything in between. Now, if you're doing this in Excel, then through your student account, then you can just get the share link for it. Select share. It says anyone with the link can view, so we just copy that link, and then that's what you would submit here. And it would be similar if you're using Google. You'll get the share link, make sure anyone with the link can view it. And then instead of uploading it, I'm going to do the text entry and say, here is my spreadsheet. I'm just going to highlight the phrase my spreadsheet, and somewhere hiding in here is my link button, external link, and I can paste it in. So that's the way you're going to do it for Google or Excel. Now, just reminder, if you're a Google user, let's do it on my Google Drive. This is for lesson 1.9. Yeah, there should be a place to put it there. So let's see, here's my lesson 1.9 from last class. So for me to share this, and I have it over here in my third tab for Brian, I would zoom out just a wee bit, select the share button. And the important thing here is sometimes when you go to share in Google, my Google's just not behaving today. It's going to say restricted. So if it says restricted, then that means you have to change it to anyone with the link, and then you can copy the link. My Google is being bizarre today. Oh, that's because this is somebody else's Google sheet, not mine. That's fine. All right, so if you did this on a standalone version of Excel on your computer, then you would have to use the file upload, and you can do that in two different ways. You can do it from the file upload tab here, or you can use the attach button, which is missing from my screen. Boy, technology is not agreeing with me today. Insert document, upload document, if it's a version from your computer. And once you get it in there, either the attached version or the linked version, submit it so I can take a look. All right, questions?